Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2005 Yamaha VSTAR 1100 Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2005 Yamaha VSTAR Classic with 17,213 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a color-matched front fairing, an aftermarket exhaust, an aftermarket intake, and passenger foot pegs. Powered by a 1063cc V-twin engine, the VSTAR puts 62 horsepower and 63 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 4.5-gallon fuel tank, the VSTAR has a 120 to 150 mile range. It has a 28-inch seat height and a 599-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear is at 330 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's paint blemishes on the rear fender and a scratch on the windscreen. This bike has a toolkit in one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.